Flowmaster, the industry leader in performance technology, is proud to introduce the new Delta Force Performance Air Intake System for the 2018 Ford Mustang GT with a 5.0 V8 engine. The Delta Force Performance Air Intake System contains an ultra-trick looking, custom-molded black cross-link polyethylene high-flow intake tube with a black anodized aluminum fittings, high-quality reinforced silicone couplers, and all stainless steel hardware. Other features include a large diameter, high-flow 8-layer cotton gauze air filter, which traps more dirt than the typical 6-layer design, custom-fit black powder-coated air dam with brackets to securely mount the system in place, along with soft bumpers to eliminate any metal-to-metal contact under the hood. The filter comes pre-oiled and is serviceable with our new Delta Force filter tune-up kit, which will help your filter outlast your vehicle. An important thing to note, the Delta Force Performance Air Intakes are 49 state legal and not currently legal for the use or for sale in the state of California. But we're working on that, so periodically check our website for updates. Flowmaster's Delta Force Performance Air Intakes are perfect for the person who are looking for performance benefits that you expect from Flowmaster, and of course they're all dyno-tuned for maximum performance. Delta Force Performance Intakes include all necessary parts and hardware for an easy at-home installation and are covered by Flowmaster's lifetime limited warranty. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.